our tradition and modernity. And therefore, friends, this is a kind of kumbh and yajna where the scholar of modern law and the scholar of traditions existed and discussed and come out with certain conclusions. Swamiji, you are our guide, and your presence, grace, and words are blessing for us. We are also thankful to Honorable Vice Chancellor Santi Sarup Dhuli Pandit Madam present in this, and thought-provoking views of Madam also provides a path for future study and future discourse. I am also thankful our distinguished scholar of this inaugural session, Swasti Bhattacharya, spoke something about on the religion, ethics and morality, and highlights the importance of morality in the modern and contemporary world. I am also very thankful to Dr. Justice B.S. Chauhan sir. Your presence is a presence of institutions. You already chair the Law Commission of India, and your words enlighten us and highlights our cultural heritage, thoughts and contemporary relevance of that. I am also thankful for the presidential address, the Honorable Rector of Banaras University, Professor V.K. Shukla sir. Your blessing and your presence is a presence of university with us. Friends, we are also thankful to Coordinator Upendra Tripathi sir. Upendra Tripathi sir provides me opportunity to discuss law with Ved, law with Dharmasastra, and law with our culture. Friends, the entire law is colonial law, and this should be changed, this should be replaced, or this should be transformed. And for the purpose of transform, the philosophical discourse is going on in the school, and the entire facility and entire process is originated under the guidance of Professor Tripathi, and therefore I am thankful, sir. In this August gathering, we very distinguished guests present here, Honorable Justice Pathak, Justice Srikaran, and Brahma scholar from Sri Lanka, Kripanna Loka, Ramnath Jha sir, Swain sir, Sundaran Jha sir, Hadaranjan Sarma sir, other Dean Faculty of SVDV, Professor D.B. Verma from Law Commission, the entire team of Law Commission, the number of students participating from the various places of the India and abroad. I am thankful for all. My just and the final information to all participants, friends, we already mentioned the rule, kindly presence in the session if you want to get your certificate. Because this is the hectic schedules and we manage the presence of the intellectual person in this conference. Kindly attend and maintain your attendance during the conference. The attendance process will also be there, friends. Friends, I am thankful for participants. I am also thankful for our volunteers. They work hard for this conference, friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the man behind the event.